Hi YouTubers. Today we're going to talk to you about a little piece of land really far away. You probably don't know where it's at, but it's called Mont-Joli. Mont-Joli is located in east of Quebec. Quebec is located in Canada. And we just learned this morning the good news, or actually it's going to turn to a nightmare. This morning we learned the good news that only 3% of Quebec have
fluoride
in their water. But this morning the joy turned to a nightmare when they announced they're gonna start a project at Mont-Joli. Mont-Joli, it's like a third world country. It's really like, it's deep in Quebec. It's like what can I say? A little redneck country, okay? And they're gonna start the project in autumn 2012, next year. And I'm a little concerned about this. The town is concerned. The people last night fight for that to not happen, but the city decided they're gonna go anyway, regardless how the citizens feel about the fear of fluoride in the water. We actually watch a lot of you guys in the States, what happened to you, and we don't want that here. If anybody have anything to give us, to, you know, if you have any advice or suggestion to do, or any report that you can give us, so we can bring to our politician and show them proof that it's not good, please leave us a link or email address so we can upload the paper, because we're probably gonna have to fight this. Right now, Montreal, where we are located, it's not there's no fluoride in the water,
but they are planning.
But they are planning before 2012 that the whole province will be under fluoride. So if you have any tips, like we want to know if Brita works, if there's any way like boiling water will take away the fluoride in the water, please leave us comment. Thank you very much.